Gonna make some bacon and eggs. Nice little breakfast here. So a couple weeks ago, I told you that while I was grilling a burger indoors on my Lodge cast iron grill pan, that we were going to create a little bit of smoke. Cooking creates smoke. That's how it goes. It's part of the nature. If you've never set off the fire alarm, you're not doing something right. You're not trying hard enough. So I wanted to make a quick video to tell you how I take care of my poor ventilation problem. Like many of you, you probably have just this little wire mesh thing, which, believe me, this thing is the kid in the group project who just shows up. Doesn't do anything. We all know that kid, and if you don't, it might have been you. It was me. So I'm cooking some bacon, and it creates smoke. Bacon grease has a relatively low smoke point, and you're gonna make some smoke. So how do you get rid of that? Well, I have this Shark Smart IQ Sense thing. It's called a Clean Sense IQ. It's automatic. It has a filter in it that lasts a very long time. My first filter lasted me 11 months. It has a gauge on it. It tells you when to replace it, so it's not always running. It does an air quality test all the time. So when you're cooking, it senses the smoke in the air. It cycles faster. It has multiple fan speeds. I really like this thing. I've been really happy with it. As you can see, I have it tucked away in my kitchen, which is the source of what I'm trying to fix. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. This thing has been excellent. I've had it for about a year, and it just really cleans up the air. A lot of people don't like frying up bacon in their house because they say it kind of smells. Well, I don't feel like I have that problem. And every time I walk into the house, it does a good job. Got nice fresh air. I will say it's kind of cut down on my dusting a little bit. And listen, we all like to clean as little as possible. See, now we're getting some good smoke here. See if we can really get this thing running. Not that I'm trying to, but I do, like I said, want to share this with you. Anyone who's interested, I'll put a link down below to this thing. I believe they have different sizes. I think I hear it kicking on. It's really ramping up here. That was not a Kobe. Get a little seasoning up in here. Oh, mama. Get this here. Where are we at? See? See when it goes red like that? That's where the different fan speeds come on. It's really ramping up. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I got a couple different microphones all around here. But the house is not smoky. It's at 70%. It's just going to keep cleaning. Let's see if I don't break the yolks. Come on. Oh, a little fragile. Not quite ready. Not quite ready. Not quite ready. Friendly reminder to pull your blanket off before it reaches the level that you're reaching for, because it continues to cook after you pull it. That's a bonus nugget. Success. Success. Go ahead, turn that off. Oh, I did poke that one. Dang it! It's okay. We just won't flip it around. there you have it. So this is going to, we're all the way down to 36%. This is going to continue to clean the air at a high speed until it senses high 90s, whatever. It's never at 100%, but I frequently see 99, 98. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I know a lot of you probably have the same problem as me with the just poor ventilation. A lot of these things sometimes go into a garage or an attic, but my house does not have that. So I wanted to share this product with you. Guys, thanks for checking out my video today. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you don't mind. I hope everyone has a very safe Labor Day, and I will see you next week. Be well. Bacon. That's where I wanted it to be.